Achieve amazing detail and quick point changing with the innovative and affordable Creative Woodburner from Walnut Hollow. The Creative Woodburner wire tip wood burning tool includes a stable power base with variable temperature control, power indicator light, and adjustable tool stand. The ergonomic hand tool has a soft comfort grip, making it easy to hold. The included tool stand slides into either the right or left side of the power base, depending on the user's preference. The 4 nichrome wire creative points included with the Creative Woodburner are great for all wood burning techniques. The first point is the ball point. It's perfect for handwriting, shading, lines, and intricate designs. The second point is the universal shading point. It's used for shading inside straight edges or corners. The tip can be used to create feather and fin shapes, and when rotated, it can create ultra-fine lines. The third point is the drawing point. It's used for general writing and drawing. It can be used to draw straight or curved lines, and when rotated, it creates darker and thicker lines. The fourth point is the rounded shading point. It works great for circular shading. It's also used to create dark and thick lines, and can be rotated to create ultra-fine lines. All 4 points heat and cool quickly, allowing them to be interchanged without a wait time. The package also includes a tweezer tool for quick and easy point removal, graphite transfer paper, and an inspiration guide with instructions. To create a project with the Creative Woodburner, start by printing or sketching a design. Trim it down so it fits your piece of wood. Next, tape the paper to the wood with the design facing up and lay transfer paper coated side down in between your design and the wood. Trace over the entire design with a pencil. Remove the tape, design, and transfer paper. Next, grab a creative point and insert the prongs into the holes on the inside of the tool. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Plug in the wood burner and turn the variable temperature dial. The heat indicator light will turn on when the tool is powered on. Use the back of your wood surface to test the temperature of the point. Begin tracing over the pencil lines, going over your entire design. If you decide to use additional points, first turn off the tool. Then use the tweezer tool to grasp the groove on the point and gently pull. Place the hot point in a ceramic dish to cool and insert the new tip into the tool. Then turn on the tool and let it heat up again. Once it's hot, you can continue burning. After you finish burning your design, use an eraser or sandpaper to remove any pencil lines. You'll be left with a beautiful wood burn sign, perfect for home decor and gifts. If you're looking for a wire tip wood burner that's easy to use and perfect for any skill level, you need the Creative Woodburner from Walnut Hollow.